Good morning to all. Today we're going to see about in Python programming laboratory. In that laboratory, the first experiment is a value, types and variables and operator and expressions, multiple assignment and operator presidency. So in this experiment helps to understand the basic buildings blocks of Python programming. We will learn how the Python stores the data and perform the calculations and assigns the value to variable and evaluates the experience and according to the operator presidency. So let we go inside and see the experiment briefly. In this objectives, the aim is to write a Python programming to demonstrate the values, types and variable and operators and expression the multi-assignment and operator presidency using the same set of your values. This objectives of this experiment to write a Python programming that demonstrate the values and data type and variables and operators, expression, multi-assignment and operators presidency using the same set of value. By completing this experiment, we can understand how the Python handles the different types of data type and performance of operations are efficiently. Let's see the algorithm steps. So this is the algorithm step for experiment. The first step is start the program. So now let us see the algorithm of experiment. First we start the program. Next we assign the value to the variable such as x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. Then we will display the values and then data types using the print and type functions. So after that we perform the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next we use the multiple assignment to assign the value to more than one variable at the same time. Then we demonstrate the operator presidency by evaluating the expressions with or without a parenthesis. So finally we display all the result and stop the programs. So let me see the next slide how the program is running. So this is the source code. In the source code, this is the first part of the Python programming. Here we assign the value of variable x, y and text. So the variable x and y stores the integer values while text stores the strings. We then print the values and use the type function to display the representative data types. Next we assign the value of x and y to new variable and a and b. Finally, we perform the basic arithmetic operations such as a condition, subtractions, multiplication and division and display their result. So second part source code is. So in the second part of the program, we demonstrate the multiple assignment using the statement p comma q equal to x, y. Both variables are received the values in a single line, and the next we demonstrate the operator presidency. The first expressions x plus y into 2. Follow the Python default presidency where the multiplication is performed before the additions. The second expression x plus y into 2. Use the parenthesis so the addition is performed first. This shows how the parenthesis can change the order of evolutions and produce a different result. So next we are going to see about the output program. So in this step the slide shows the output of the program. The program first displays the values and data types. Next it displays the values stored in a variable a and b. It then shows the result of arithmetic operation. After that it displays the values obtained through the multiple assignment. Finally, it compared the result of two expressions to demonstrate the operator presidency. From the output, we can clearly see that parentheses change the order of the evolutions and therefore change the final result. So at last, we are going to see about this experiment as a summary. So at last we are concluding. To summarize this experiment, introduce the fundamental concept of the Python programming. We learn how to declare the variable, identify the data type, use the arithmetic operations, Perform the multiple assignment and understand the operator presidency. This concept from the foundation of writing Python programming and will be used throughout the future exercise. Thank you. This is the experiment of Python programming lab.